bottom of the search page, we've got our popular tags table still. Again, we did some house cleaning in there and ripped out the stuff that doesn't really relate anymore and was kind of fuzzy anyway, and replaced it with more of the things that we've kind of already talked about in the highlights section and inside of the sample listings table. So we have a renewal column in there too, which is going to show you by tag how much the results for that matching tag are being renewed. It's going to show you an average number of days to ship for each of the items that come back that share any one of the tags in the popular tags table. And it's going to show you an average number of photos for each of those tags also. And then obviously still shows average price for each of the tag groups because that's still pretty relevant.